In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WPS Office on Windows 7. If you're ready to free up some space or switch to a different Office suite, I'll walk you through the clean built-in way to remove WPS Office using the Windows control panel. We'll go slowly, explain what you'll see, and share a few quick tips to keep things smooth. Before you start, save your work and close any WPS Office apps like Writer, Spreadsheets, or Presentation. This helps the uninstaller complete without interruptions. Begin by opening the Start menu in the lower left corner of your screen and choosing Control Panel. If you don't see it immediately, type Control Panel into the Start search box and press Enter. Inside Control Panel, select Programs, then choose Programs and Features. If your control panel is showing large icons or small icons instead of categories, you can click Programs and Features directly. It leads to the same place. You'll now see a list of all installed programs. Scroll through the list and look for WPS Office. Depending on the version, it may appear as WPS Office or Kingsoft WPS Office. To make it easier, you can click the name column to sort alphabetically, or use the search box in the top right of this window and type WPS. When you find it, click once to select it. At the top of the list, click Uninstall. On some systems, you can also right-click the entry and choose Uninstall or Change, which leads to the same uninstaller. Windows may show a permission prompt. Click Yes to continue. The WPS Office uninstaller will open and guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions and choose Uninstall when asked to confirm. If you're prompted to close running WPS components, allow the uninstaller to close them or close them yourself and click Retry. The removal can take a few minutes. That's normal, so avoid launching other apps while it works. When it finishes, you'll see a completion message. If Windows asks you to restart, save anything you're working on and let it reboot so all changes are fully applied. To verify the removal, return to the Programs and Features window and confirm that WPS Office no longer appears in the list. If a desktop shortcut or start menu entry still shows but doesn't open anything, that's just a leftover shortcut and it's safe to remove later. Quick tips before we wrap up. If WPS Office doesn't appear in the list, check both W and K in the alphabetized view and make sure you're signed in to the same Windows user account where it was installed. On slower PCs, uninstalls may appear to pause, give it time to finish. That's it. You've successfully deleted WPS Office on Windows 7 using Control Panel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.